Mukesh from Maximize Success Academy. So today, right now, we stop over at in Murthal, a place at a restaurant, a place to have some snacks or something to eat. So one of the principle I have for many years is that I don't normally eat any of the cooked veggies at these places. What I do is I ask them to make tandoori paratha. So it's like a baked and with butter only, no yogurt, nothing, and tea or coffee. So this way I keep myself simply healthy, because I don't know in the veggies what kind of because it's on the roadside, we're very posh with AC and everything, and I'll show you the whole surrounding also. But I want to stay safe, and this is a tandoori paratha. I just had it has a mix some paneer, some aloo, some onion, some gobi, along with butter and one coffee. So I just wanted to share with you that, and so please enjoy. So I'll just turn the camera around. Just give me a stay with me. Okay. So I hope you guys got the the idea where I'm sitting. Thank you. Very soon, in a couple of hours, I'm reaching to Delhi, and I will be recording some interesting short videos. Always stay healthy, eat healthy. Baked items are the best. Thank you and have a great day. Bye now. Dean Mukesh from Maximize Success Academy.